Beauty Company. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to do a challenge video. I have seen this all over the internet. I have seen my favorite YouTubers do this challenge and I thought why not me also try and see if I succeed or not. So today I am trying the one dip makeup challenge, and if you guys want to see if I succeed or not, then please keep on watching. Alright, so to begin with, I have already prepped my skin, moisturized it very well because today my skin was feeling extra dry like Sahara Desert. So one dip or one scoop won't help me in this video. So yes, everything is done. Now let's move on to the primer. For today's primer, I am going to use e.l.f. Poreless Primer, and I will just take a palm and that's it. So I'm just warming it up, and whatever is required I will just place it on my T-zone and wherever I have got a large visible pores. Next we are moving on to the foundation, and for that today I will be using my L'Oreal 24 Hours Fresh Wear Foundation, and I am in the shade Hazelnut. I'm taking a palm and this is how much I have got. The texture is very runny and I have already done a review on this. I will put it at the end screen. Don't forget to check it out. First, I will place the foundation on my skin and I will blend it out with my Real Techniques RT200 foundation brush. And if you guys hear anything in the background like the drilling sound or hammer sound, then I would like to tell that there is construction site over here, and for that reason maybe you might hear some disturbance, so please forgive me for that. Now we are moving on to the concealer, and I will be using my Flower Beauty concealer, and this is in the shade light medium. As you all can see, my face is little dark than my neck, so I am going to use just a dip and that's it.
And I will apply the concealer on the highest points of my face.
So I will use the same foundation brush and I will blend on the concealer. I think for me, brows and eyeshadow look will be little difficult because we can dip only once, and I have a tendency to dip multiple times to build up the product and get the intensity. So yes, all right. So now concealer is also done. We will not set it yet because today I am going to do some cream contour. So today for my cream contour, I am going to use my Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation Plus Concealer, and this is in the shade D6, and this is little dark than my skin tone. I can use this to actually color correct and also to contour my face.
And I will contour the hollows of my cheeks, the jawline, my forehead and the sides of my nose, and I will blend it out with a foundation brush from Real Techniques.
Now we will set our highlighted areas, and for that I am going to use my Rimmel Match Perfection Silky Loose Powder in the shade Transparent. I will take it on the cap and dip my brush, tapping off the excess. For that we will blend the creases if any, and now we will set the highlighted areas.
And whatever is left, I will swirl it around my whole face.
Set the contoured areas. So for that I will be using my The Balm Cosmetics Take Me Home bronzer in the shade Graham E. So I will take on the same brush coat my brush with the bronzer very nicely. Tap off the excess. Also, I'll bring it little downwards to match my face. Now I will take my Rimmel Stay Matte powder in the shade Transparent and I will do some reverse contour. Let's move on to our brows, shall we? For that, I am going to use my NYX Stay Men Frame Brow Pomade in the shade Espresso, and I will be applying that brow pomade with an angle brush from Essence, and I will first take the product on my brush.
Brushing the brow hairs with the spoolie.
This is the difficult part.
Firstly, I am going to line both my eyebrows consecutively. That way I will have a fair chance to evenly distribute the products, and then I will fill in the sparse area.
I will brush the hairs to distribute the product evenly. That way I will have to fill less. And now I'm trying to fill the sparse area.
I have not taken any extra product. It is the same product that I showed you guys, and I am using only that.
Not convinced, because this is not how I do my eyebrows. I like my bold brows because I have scanty eyebrows as you. Next, to set my eyebrows, I'm going to use my Essence Make Me Brow Gel, and this is available on Flipkart. It has got microfibers in it, so maybe this will do the job to fill my eyebrows a little more. Now I will carve out my brows with a concealer, and for that I will use my Milani Pot Concealer. I don't know the entire name of this, but I will still mention all the links to the product I'm using in the description box. So if you want to buy any of this, you can definitely click the link and purchase it. And this is how much I have got on my brush. And I will use a concealer brush to blend out the product.
This will give us a nice sharp and crisp eyebrows, and also it will look much defined.
Alright, so brows are also done. We will take some break from our base makeup and we will move on to the eyes. For my eyes, we need to prime it, and I will use the same concealer from Flower Beauty in the shade Light Medium. Alright, so we have primed our eyes, and then I will set it out with a powder. I'll take the same Rimmel powder, just a dip, tapping off the excess because I don't need much. Today for my palette, I'm going to use this Colourpop Yes Please palette, and there are very gorgeous earthy shades. This is perfect for fall and winter. So I will create some easy look so that I don't mess up the look. Every time I have filmed this challenge and I have messed it up, so I don't want to mess it this time at least. I will take this shade. This is known as Note to Self, so I will take a dip of this.
Then I'm going to distribute the products, and then I will blend it out with a blending brush.
Moving on to this shade, and this is known as GNO. So I have taken some on my brush. First I will distribute, give a little light blend.
Once the product is evenly distributed and deposited, I will give a nice blend.
Then I will take the shade Spoiled, I will further deepen my crease area with this.
As you all can see that I am depositing the product first and then I am blending it out. That way I will have the same intensity on both of my eyes.
Now I will take the shade French Kiss, which is this dark brown shade,
and I will place it to my entire lid area.
Next I will take this shade, this is called Louis,
and I will cover the entire lid area on top of that dark brown shade.
Now I will take the shade Bling,
and I am going to place it just on 1/4 of my outer lid area.
Next I am taking this shade Butter Cake, and this is a nice champagne gold color. So this I will take onto a pencil brush and place it on my inner corner and on my brow bone. Then again I am going to take the shade GNO on a pencil brush and I will place it here.
Then I am going to smoke it out with the same pencil brush.
So then for the eyeliner I am going to use my Lakme Absolute eyeliner in the shade black, and I'll use the brush tip itself.
Drawing a winged eyeliner during this task was really a challenge. You all can see that I am applying it from the applicator itself, and the liner got dried up in between and I could not dip the applicator once again, but still I tried to complete both my eyes and I was happy about it. Next step is curling my lashes to make it ready for the mascara.
I am using my Too Faced Dangle mascara.
Coating the lashes on both of your eyes is really difficult, and when you are told that you can dip your applicator only once, I think it is a real challenge. My left eye was running out of product and I did not have enough product to coat my lower and upper lash line.
Now we will do blush, highlighter and everything. So I will take the shade Big Cookie, which is this shade, this orangey kind, this one. So I'll take it on my blush brush, and this is how much I got. Moving on to a highlighter. For that I will be using my Ofra Cosmetics mini highlighter in the shade Rojo Dry. Coating my brush with the highlighter, tapping off the excess.
I have already reviewed this highlighter on my channel. It comes in a kit wherein you get 2 liquid lipstick in mini size and 1 mini highlighter, so I will insert it at the end screen.
I'll be applying a lip liner, and because this is a pencil, I don't think one dip will apply to this. So I will line my lip with the Swiss Beauty lip liner and in the shade Cherry Brown. Today I am going to use a lip gloss over the lip liner, and for that I am using my Pat McGrath lip gloss in the shade Flesh 4. The review of these is already up on my YouTube channel, so you can click the end screen at the end of this video. Only thing is remaining is applying some makeup setting spray, and I will be using my Colourpop All Star makeup setting spray.
What I did is I sprayed my sponge with the setting spray, and then with the help of the sponge I applied to my entire face.
Alright you guys, so this was my one dip makeup challenge. How you guys feel about it? Let me know in the comment section. If you ask me, I really enjoyed filming this video, because out of my 4 videos that I had shot earlier, I was really unhappy. Somewhere or other there was issues, but this time I did it and it is a pass for me. So yes, if you guys also like this video, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, which is free of course, you don't have to pay anything, and like this video. Share it amongst your friends and family. Don't forget to turn the bell notification on so that you are notified every single time whenever I upload any new videos. And I shall see you soon on my next one. Till then, bye. Take care.